So let's see what we got here. We got here some new package from Anareus, so let's unpack it. So we got here these two package. Let's unpack it too. It was really good packed, so this point for Anareus to pack them really properly, so nothing will damage inside. So there is a first box of something mysterious, and maybe not. We got here some bunny head, watch cap from Helikon. I got new speed loader because you always need some speed loader. And we got Helikon poncho in the really nice pack. And in this pack is like the saying, we have dvoustronný swangman, we have swangman roll. I don't think it's dvoustronný. Yo, it says like dvoustronný is like the have the two sides. Dvu, jak dve, like two, and strony is sides. So reversible or double side swangman roll from Helikon. I'm really happy to see that, so I hope it will be nice. So, but let's get just classic speed loader, yeah, speed loader. We have this really soft watch cap. It's looking really nice. Maybe I start really wearing it because I don't like to wear these caps, hats and anything, but this looks really nice. Really soft and light material. Okay, cool. And next we have Helikon poncho. I even forget what it will be, but it's woodland one. I was ordering it quite time before I get home, so I even forget what I have. It's like little mysterious to me, like funny. So it's woodland one. Okay, nice. And let's get to swangman roll. I hear that they are both compatible together, because like poncho is outer shell and this is inner shell, like to keep you warm in the cold, where it get colder when you go to sleep and something like that. So how to open this? Okay, that was easy. So we have this funny package, and this is what we can use it for. It's for like poncho, but I hear that the swangman roll is not that good in the winter. We will test it, so I will show some videos or talk about it, how it gets. It's like sleeping bed, really like a light sleeping bed. Inner sleeping bed for modular sleeping system. I don't know what it means. Universal blanket and a hammock underquit. So that's like the 4 or 5 definition of what you can use swangman roll. I bought it much because it was looking good, and I like tourism and wandering at forest, so I hope it will get used for what I bought it, and I can show you, or we can see what it will look like. I don't want to get out of the shell. So it looks like this. This is outer camo, and this is inside, like it's reversible, so you have two sides. So this is how it's looking. I never see this before on the YouTube, this like camouflage patterns, so I was like, it will be good idea to show it to you. This is green one, and this is brown one. It looks funnier, but I think it will get used because this brown pattern is good for the forest and for the leaves, so we will see. So that was all from my package. Thanks for watching, and I want to see you next time. Ciao ciao!